Hi friends, today let us learn how to enter the purchase invoice in Tally. To enter the purchase voucher in Tally, we need to create some ledgers. Here let us see how to create ledgers. First go to create, press enter, go to ledgers, press enter. Here supplier name we will create first. Shri Tech we will create and we will group it under sundry creditors. Suppliers are always to be grouped under sundry creditors. So maintain bills by bill, say no, and here enter the address if you have. And select the state, and PIN code if you have, you can type it. Bank detail if you have, you can type. I'll keep it no. And PAN number of the supplier if you want to enter it. And registration type you keep it regular. And enter GST number of the supplier. So if the GST number is wrong, the display will appear like this. The party GST provided is invalid. So you can correct it and press enter. And press enter. Come to an end. And accept yes for creating the ledger. Now the supplier ledger has been created. Now we'll create one more ledger, purchases. This purchase account should be grouped under purchases, purchase account. And we will keep it the ledger type not applicable, and go to an end and accept yes to create the ledger. Now let us create GST account. First we will create SGST, that is state GST. We will group under duties and taxes. Always the tax account should be grouped under duties and taxes. And we will select GST. We will select SGST, and remaining we will keep it as it is, and we will come to an end pressing enter, and accept yes by pressing enter. And we will create CGST. This is central GST. Same duties and taxes group should be selected, and then select GST and select CGST group and come to an end by pressing enter. Accept yes by pressing enter. Now we have created 4 ledgers. Let us go back to main menu by pressing escape key. Now let us see the ledgers which we have created. Where we can see, we go to alter, press enter, go to ledger, press enter. See, these are the ledgers we have created: CGST, purchases, SGST and Shri Tech. Profit and loss account and cash, already it was there. It is the predefined account. That means these two accounts, cash and profit and loss, are created by Tally itself. So let us go back to main menu by pressing escape. Now let us go to voucher entry. So we have to go to transactions, vouchers, select voucher and press enter. Here the voucher type is payment. We have to select purchases. Here you see purchase is there. You can click on that or you can press F9. By pressing F9 we can select purchases. See, now it is appearing purchases. So now we'll start entering purchase invoice. Supplier invoice number is 126, dated 1st April 26. Party name, here we will select it, Shritech, and here we will enter if we have receipt note number. Otherwise we will come to an end by pressing enter. And here also we'll just come down by pressing enter. Here we will select purchase account. Here name of the item we have to enter. So by pressing space bar we will get the list here. It is the list of the items, list of stock items. Here no items are there, so we have to create new item. So we have to go to create here. You can see it here. Click on that, press enter, create. Here you can type keyboard, select primary, and here units you have to create. So units are not there in the list, so go to create again and press enter. Symbol you have to type numbers. Formal name, full number you have to type and select here numbers, or you can keep it as it is. I'll keep it not applicable only. So GST applicability we will keep it as applicable. Here I'll select specify details here. So you have to type HSN code for keyboard. Whatever you have to type it. And here for GST rate we will select specify details here. Go to taxable. Yes, you have to type the rate of GST here. It is 18%. If you type 18%, the CGST and SGST will get split equally. Automatically it happens. And here you select not applicable. And here you select goods because it is a supply of goods. Come to an end. Accept by pressing enter. Now the keyboard 45 numbers you enter, 725 rupees each. See here numbers have come because we have created the units measured for keyboard is numbers. So it is appearing here and this is the total amount. We'll come back here and we will keep as it is all this, and we have to create one more item here. Here by pressing space bar you will get the list here. See here only keyboard is there. We have to create mouse now. So pressing Alt C or you go to create here. Click on that. Just enter. Mouse we will type it as item name. Under primary we will select units of measure. We will select it as numbers. And GST applicability we will keep applicable. Here you specify details here we will select and we will enter HSN code, and here we will select GST rate as specified details here. Come down, you select taxable. GST rate we have to enter 18% is for mouse and press enter. It is equally gets split into CGST and SGST and come down by pressing enter. And here you select goods as type of supply and come down pressing enter and accept S, and we will enter the quantity we purchase. 50 quantity we will enter, and amount is 155 rupees, and total it is 7,750. And we will come down, we will keep as it is. We will come down here, we have to select CGST. Automatically the tax amount comes, it is 9%, and SGST we will select, and it's also automatically comes. Come down, press enter and press enter. Accept yes by pressing enter. Our purchase voucher has been saved now. Now we will see the purchase voucher which we have entered. By pressing the page up key, we can come back to our purchase voucher which we have entered. Now we can see how we can take the printout or preview it. Go to print here, press enter. Here you select preview. See, this is the invoice format which we have entered. We can zoom it here. See, this is the keyboard, 45 numbers, mouse, 50 numbers, which we have entered. HSN code here, it's appearing here. And this is the invoice number, supplier's invoice number. This is the supplier detail. And if you come down, and this is the total amount of the invoice, and this is the CGST and SGST. Here it is. This is the format of the invoice. We'll go back by pressing escape. We'll go back to main menu by pressing escape. This is how we can enter the purchase voucher. We will meet in the next video with some interesting topic. Here, thank you so much. Thank you, friends. In the description box, we have kept the 3 invoices in the PDF format. Please download it and practice it. And if you have any questions, please comment. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe it. Thank you. Thank you so much, friends.